Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your service on an Audi A1 or S1 Sportback by using Autel Maxicom MK808. First step, we are going to search the OBD2 slot. Here you are. At the driver's side, you can see the pedals. And if you're looking a little bit right off the lever for the car hood, you can see the docking point for our OBD2 device. Here we are. We have docked it now. Here you can see inspection or service interval is at 18 days. Now we are booting the Autel Maxicom MK808 into the service. Okay, let's go to service, and here we can see oil reset on the left side. We have so many different types of function in it here, but we the only thing we need now is the oil service. The oil service is combined with the service interval setting. Let's go to Audi. Then we have to go into the instrument cluster. After this, we can choose between different types of setups. Automatical oil service reset, and inspection service reset, oil and inspection service reset, or service advanced. Now we go to service reset. Now we can push on OK, and job's done. The flexible service or internal service is resetted. Job's done. That it is how it works. This is really easy, isn't it? The same procedure you can do with the all service reset too in this machine or with this machine. Now we can have a look. Yeah, let's go. Service, next 455 days. Job's done. And so it is. How to reset your service by using the Maxicom MK808 by Autel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.